All right, so I wanted to make a quick install video of these side steps that I purchased from Car ID. The brand is iArmor by APS. Now I know my vehicle is not really high off the ground, but I wanted something to protect the rocker panels. Of course, not to mention, ease of access into the Pilot. So I think it looks pretty cool, pretty unique. So not your conventional looking side steps or sidebars, whatever you want to call it. Let me go ahead and pan out to the Pilot and show you the before install video. Let me get the other side. All right, let's get to it. All right, so here's how it looked installed. Yeah, I think it looks really good on it. for the true test. All right, I think we're good. Nice and sturdy.